The Philippines is stepping into a new era of military modernization, and one of its most promising defense partners is none other than India. As Manila seeks to diversify its defense sourcing and boost its self-reliant defense posture, India emerges as a key ally, not just in policy, but in firepower. Here's a look at the military hardware the Philippines could, and likely will, acquire from India in the years ahead. First on the list, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile system. The Philippines became the first foreign buyer of this India-Russia-developed missile, signing a $375 million deal in 2022. Designed for both land and ship-based platforms, BrahMos can fly at nearly 3 times the speed of sound, giving it the edge in both coastal defense and anti-ship warfare. The first batch arrived in April 2024, and the second followed in April 2025. More orders may follow as the Philippines expands its missile-based deterrence capabilities across key strategic areas. Next up, the Akash short-range surface-to-air missile system. Akash is India's answer to affordable, reliable air defense, capable of targeting multiple aerial threats, including fighter jets, helicopters, drones, and even cruise missiles. The Akash system fills a critical gap in Philippine defense low to mid-altitude air defense coverage. A $200 million deal is currently in high-level discussion and is expected to be finalized by India's next fiscal year. Third on the table, HAL Tejas light combat aircraft. As the Philippine Air Force seeks to replace its aging fighter jets, India's homegrown Tejas fighter could be a contender. Lightweight, multi-role, and capable of air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, Tejas is cost-efficient and already combat-proven. With the Philippines exploring a mix of Western and Asian aircraft, Tejas is seen as an attractive option, especially if paired with Indian financing or co-development. Fourth, maritime reconnaissance and utility helicopters. India's state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited produces several rotary-wing platforms that could serve the Philippines well. These include the Dhruv Advanced Light Helicopter for transport and patrol missions, and the naval variant of the HAL-LA, ideal for shipboard deployment and coastal surveillance. Discussions are still exploratory, but such platforms would boost maritime domain awareness in the country's vast archipelagic waters. Fifth, indigenous drones and unmanned aerial systems. India has been quietly advancing in drone technology, including combat and surveillance UAVs like the Rustam and Tapas series. These could help the Philippines enhance border patrol, surveillance over the West Philippine Sea, and rapid disaster response operations. India's willingness to share drone tech also aligns with the Philippines' push for localized drone production under its self-reliant defense program. Sixth, artillery systems and multi-barrel rocket launchers. India's Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher system, already in service with the Indian Army, could offer the Philippines a mobile, high-volume firepower solution for territorial defense. Its proven performance and modular design make it a good candidate for rugged archipelagic terrain. Seventh, coastal radar and early warning systems. In support of maritime domain awareness, India has developed advanced radar systems that could be deployed on Philippine shores to monitor vessel movements, detect threats early, and support command and control operations. These radars, when integrated with missile and naval assets, would give the Philippines a stronger defensive posture against intrusions. Eighth, cyber defense and electronic warfare tools. While not a physical asset, Indian companies and government agencies are pioneers in cybersecurity and EW technologies. The Philippines could benefit from Indian expertise in network defense, counter-drone systems, jamming technology, and space-based surveillance, all critical in modern conflict scenarios. And finally, ninth, potential co-development and joint manufacturing. India is offering credit lines and soft loans to partners like the Philippines, not just to purchase, but to co-develop defense platforms. This includes setting up local production lines for weapons, munitions, parts, and support systems. This approach supports the Philippines' long-term goal to build an independent, sustainable defense industry. From missiles to jets, from drones to digital defense, India offers not just weapons, but a strategic partnership rooted in shared democratic values and regional security. As both countries face growing pressure in the Indo-Pacific, defense cooperation is no longer just optional, it's essential. And for the Philippines, India isn't just a defense supplier. It's becoming a defense ally.